All English Podcast.
Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to All English Podcasts. Today's episode is going to be spicy because we're talking about English phrases you should never say. Some of them sound polite or innocent, but they can totally change how people see you. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's make your English more natural, polite, and powerful. Sometimes we say something in English thinking it sounds nice, but to a native speaker, it can sound rude, harsh, or just weird. Let's fix that together. Phrase 1. You look tired. You may want to be kind, but this actually sounds like you're saying, "You look bad today." Instead, say, "Are you okay? You've been busy lately?" Or, "You deserve a break." For example, "Hey, you look tired." Sounds bad. "Hey, you've been working hard. Want to grab a coffee?" Sounds perfect. Phrase 2. You've gained weight. Never say this, even if you mean you look healthy. Instead, say, "You look great," or "You look happy," or "That color suits you." Remember, compliments in English are about positivity, not observation. Phrase 3. Calm down. If someone is angry and you say, "Calm down," they will probably do the opposite. Instead, say, "Take your time," or "I understand, this is stressful." Sometimes it's even better to stay quiet and just listen. Phrase 4. With all due respect. This sounds polite, but it often means I'm about to insult you politely. Instead, say, "I see your point, but I think differently." Or, "That's interesting. Here's another way to look at it." Phrase 5. No offense, but every time someone says this, an insult is coming. Instead, just make your point kindly. For example, instead of saying, "No offense, but your idea won't work," say, "I think there might be a problem with this part." Phrase 6. You people. This can sound rude or racist even if you don't mean it that way. Instead, say, "You all," or "everyone here." Keep it friendly and neutral. Now let's talk about phrases you should never say at work or in professional situations. Phrase 7. That's not my job. Even if it's true, it sounds unhelpful. Instead, say, "I'm not sure, but let me find out." Or, "Maybe we can ask someone who knows more." This makes you sound helpful, not defensive. Phrase 8. I don't care. This one can sound cold or rude. Instead, say, "It doesn't matter to me," or "I'm okay with either option." Much softer and kinder. Phrase 9. Whatever. Instant attitude. Instead, say, "That's fine. No worries. Either one's okay." Now let's move to phrases that can hurt relationships with friends, partners, or family. Phrase 10. I told you so. Nobody likes to hear this, even when you're right. Instead, say, "I was worried this might happen." Let's fix it together. Phrase 11. It's fine. When people say it's fine, they usually mean it's not fine. Instead, say, "It's okay, but I'd like to talk about it later." Phrase 12. You always, or you'd never. These two are emotional triggers. Instead, start with, "Sometimes I feel like." It completely changes the tone. Let's play a quick practice game. I'll say the bad phrase and you say the better one out loud. You look tired. Say, "You've been working hard." Calm down. Say, "Take your time." I don't care. Say, "Either one's fine." You always forget. Say, "Sometimes I feel like you forget." Perfect. If you said those out loud, congrats, your English just leveled up. You did it! Now you know which English phrases to avoid if you don't want to sound rude. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because kindness in English starts with good communication. Thanks for listening! And remember, words matter, tone matters, and a smile helps too.